Oh, he here.
It looked like he got bit by a black mamba. Look at that shit.
Oh, snap.
That's how my first one was.
They eats now. They gotta eat.
Oh, is this about 5 to 7 minutes? We about to climb Mount Everest first before we get to
Yes, sir. It's gonna have to.
Mount Kilimanjaro. We're going to the top. Here, gonna give out halfway up the top. He's gonna turn around and go back because he's gonna get scared of height.
Oh, he was gonna say, "Oh, I worked out this morning. That's why I ain't."
I'm the only one with that shit. That's something I have to fall off the edge of. Okay. All right, brave souls.
Visitor Center. My name is Agnes, and I hope everybody has visited the washroom. Sometimes we are going to do small exercise while climbing the hill. It's also advisable to go along with water. So, by so, I suppose we are going gradually. But the tour guide will lead you, and I also wait for the student and come with them, because when we mingle with them, they shout here, and I don't want to do that.
Get excited.
Yes, so you take lead, and I'm also coming with them very soon, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Baba.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Yeah, Baba.
The bus is here.
You. Okay.
Yes, indeed. We've been down.
Yeah. Let's do it now.
So, Amity, how loud are you going to scream when the canopy starts
No, I
swinging?
ain't worried about that.
Say what?
How loud are you going to scream?
I'm more thinking about who we going to make this chill.
What, something going to say? Or something going to come out of you and start screaming? What about if the snakes fall on your head?
No, that's not going to happen.
All I got to do is shake that tree.
I'm just going to get
Are we there yet?
Around here.
Are we there yet? We got a long way to go.
Yes, indeed, folks. We at Kakum National Park right here in the Ghana Central region.
It's funny because I swear we've had certain people where once they walk up there and start gasping, and you're like, oh my God, they're not gonna make it.
We gon' make it.
One thing, climbing, one guy climbing the gender a little bit. I wonder if it's something you stick. We're walking our way up to the forest.
I need my cross train.
There's 7 canopies that walking up the forest. It's incredible. The only thing is you have to be safe and ready for this. This thing will work out. Everybody else at the resort.
Oh.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got the
Yes,
soldiers.
my brother.
We got the soldiers climbing here at Kakum National Park right here in Central Region of Ghana. AfricaForTheAfricans.org. Tell them a little something.
Yes, family, Bomani Tamba here, and this is one of those part of journeys where if you're not one of the warriors who can climb the forest and go through certain things, you may want to stay at a resort and get massages, pedicures, and let the warriors go through the forest and climb the canopy.
Yes, indeed. This is very beautiful, though, family. This national park is being preserved by the government of Ghana. It's just like the jungle, yo. But again, AfricaForTheAfricans.org.